I'm Kizzy and welcome back to my channel. Today I have Jeremiah here with me, so if you hear a little racket in the side, it's him. So today I'm going to show you how I got rid of cradle cap in my baby's head. So if you're interested on how to get rid of cradle cap naturally, stay tuned. For this tutorial, you're going to need a gentle shampoo. I used Head to Toe Wash by Fred Flow, as this is really gentle. Organic extra virgin olive oil. This is one of the main things you're going to need to get rid of cradle cap. A soft brush. My husband bought this for his cradle cap. I'm not sure where he got it from, but I'll put the link below. A fine tooth comb. We're going to use the fine edge of this comb to get the extra flakes off that we didn't manage to get in the bath while shampooing. A sponge to scrub off your baby once everything's finished. And extra virgin olive oil, organic of course, I use from Gravy Fruit Company. And a towel. Okay, so for the first step of this tutorial, gently massage the olive oil into the area that has flaky, scaly skin of cradle cap. Just be sure not to use too much oil or it will just be difficult to get out. Allow for the oil to sit for a few minutes to give it time to loosen the dry patches of the skin. These are the areas I'm going to be focusing on, as that's where the cradle cap is left. While we wait for the oil to sit for a few minutes, I'm just going to prepare his bath so that we could continue with the rest of this tutorial. While he's in the bath, I'm going to wet his hair with warm water, then use a soft brush to brush the area to get rid of all the remaining scales. When brushing away the scales from your baby's hair, remember to be extra careful not to brush too vigorously as their head is still very tender. He enjoyed that so much, I think he worked up an appetite. Next, I'm going to rinse his hair with warm water to remove the scales that the brush managed to lift from his scalp. Next, I'm going to use a gentle hypoallergenic shampoo to rinse away the oil from his head. Then I'm going to allow the shampoo to sit on the hair for a bit so that it can soak up all the oils, then rinse off with warm water. When he's out of the bath, I gently dry his hair with a towel. You can use this time to use the brush again to remove some of the loose scales that didn't manage to come out in the bath. Next, I'm going to use the fine end of the fine tooth comb to lift off any remaining scales from between his hair strands. And here is a closer look of how I did that. As you can see here, there is quite a few bits that I did miss, so the comb is going to be used to get the remaining bits out. After a few minutes, I managed to get the remaining scales out of his scalp, and now it's clean clear and breathable. It's so nice just to see his scalp looking so healthy. After washing his hair, I use extra virgin organic coconut oil to put the moisture back into his hair. I then continue to gently massage the oil and distribute it evenly throughout his hair. Once this is all completed, I then comb and brush to style as normal. Please note that this may take a few of these treatments to get rid of cradle cap, so repeat as necessary and be very patient. Try not to wash baby's hair too often, as this can actually worsen the problem. Instead, just do it every few days. If you find that the problem persists, please consult a doctor if the cradle cap worsens, spreads, or just won't go away. If you are concerned or have any questions about your baby's cradle cap, be sure to speak with your pediatrician or GP. And that's how you get rid of cradle cap naturally. I tried an alternative and it worked. Cradle cap is gone. His scalp is no longer flaky. It's well moisturized and healthy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and share this video and comment down below any remedies that had worked for you in the past. So that brings us to the end of our video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!